quiet. But I heard crows southwest. Yep. They're coming this way too. We got company.
I'm staying right at this wall here.
They're pretty
How
fucking
far?
close. I hear them. They're running this way.
Towards you?
Killed one. There's another one. That's where his dead body is. I don't have eyes on the other one though.
I'm coming up towards you.
Clue
There
is
was a
still
fucking
red.
armored between me and you.
I killed him with explosive arrows, bro. So his
Fuck
friend is
yeah.
still probably southeast. Is that you moving?
Yes, I'm gonna go put myself in this train car and throw a beetle. You just hit him?
Yeah. Got him. He's dead.
Bro.
Clue's clear.